Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Range Rover Velar on a 71 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off just by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key just here, or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can then see we have reversing sensors. This car's got a reversing camera as well. Plenty of boot space, and you can increase this space should you wish to by folding down any or all of those 3 rear seats you see there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I said, just run through a few of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are all in great condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the centre we have the rev counter. In the centre of that, the digital readout for the speedometer. It'll also show you what gear the car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in that section. Just underneath that, to the left, you can see the total miles of the car. They're 18,373. We have our sat-nav being displayed over on that right-hand side there. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have on the left-hand side, stereo and phone controls. Over on the right-hand side, cruise control, speed limiter, heated steering wheel just here as well, and behind the steering wheel the minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do that. Over into the centre next, we have the main touch screen for the car. So up here you can access your satellite navigation. Really nice clear colour display, very easy system to use. You can come out back to your home screen where you can pair your phone and access your media for the vehicle as well. There's a number of ways you can listen to music in this car. We have the radio, of course, so DAB, FM and AM radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. The reversing camera that I mentioned, or parking camera I should say, because you have a reversing camera on the left hand side and a bird's eye view image of exactly where the car is parked currently being displayed over on that right hand side. Below that we have the second screen for the car. This is where you'll find, as you can see just here, your heated seat for passenger and driver. It's also where you can control your dual zone climate control from. So you can control the fan speed, which will turn the system on essentially. You can control the passenger temperature. The driver seat is what's being highlighted there at the moment, but you can control the driver temperature in the same way you do the passenger temperature. We've got a heated rear screen, heated front screen, and that is where you turn your air conditioning off or back on again from there. You can recirculate the air that's in the vehicle just here. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperatures you've set, of course. Up the top, we have options for vehicle information, heated seat, and your main climate control menu, which is then where you can determine where you would like the air distributed as it enters the vehicle. With the main volume for the stereo here as well, and you have a few buttons down the bottom for things like turning your contraction control off, your downhill brake control. You can turn the aircon to max, as you can see, and also you can turn the max aircon to the front screen as well. We have the gear lever then for your fully automatic gearbox, and so you can see drive, neutral and reverse all on here, and then this button will put you into park. So the last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof that you see just here. So there's a button first of all that will open that sun blind all the way to the back of the rear seats. That you can leave it like this if you wish to, and as you can see that lets in a huge amount of light to the cabin area. But if you wish to, on this car you can also open the front section as a full tilt and slide sunroof. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So first of all, you can see the V5 registration document that shows that this is a one owner car from new. We have the key, as you can see there, that's the spare key for this vehicle, so we have 2 keys in total, and then a printout of the online main dealer service record for the car as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.